the V to the I to the D-E-O. That's right, I am back with another video. So today I am customizing my spring 2022 FabFitFun box. For those of you who are not familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, and it's basically seasonal, meaning that you get a box in winter, spring, summer, and fall. It depends on your membership, how much it costs, okay? I am actually an annual member, meaning that my membership is $199 per year. But if you don't want to be an annual member, you can become a seasonal member, and those boxes are then $54.99 per season. So you guys, let's go ahead and get into my customizations for spring 2022. All right, so we'll start with customization number 1. For customization number 1, they are recommending this Alice plus Olivia daisy print duffel bag and bucket hat. They are also recommending the Caravan Home Lazy Susan Wood. They are recommending the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Diamond Balm all over. That looks like a highlighter. They're also recommending the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bombs. Oh my gosh, they got a lot of Fenty Beauty going on here today. They also have this L Space Coaster Cooler. They have a One Size by Patrick Star Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. Y'all, that's really cute. They also have this Christoph Robin Regenerating Mask and Prickly Pear Oil. They have the Dr. Brandt Skincare Dual and Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. You guys, they have quite a bit of stuff here. Fenty Beauty shows up again with another highlighter. There's also a robe situation going on here. It looks like there are a couple of robes here. So, y'all, the robes are really, really cute. And as much as I love robes, I just already have enough. Also, I think I have enough eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to see, I know I don't want the duffel bag. And I am not interested in the Lazy Susan because I already have one. So let's learn more about the Bum glosses here. Okay, so the Bum glosses, the two colors, they seem to be Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer, plus a plumper in Lemon Lava and Hot Cherry. Okay, so they're coming in Lemon Lava and Hot Cherry. Both of those are super cute. And as we can see, as we're scrolling up and down here, the MSRP is $48 on that. So we're going to go out and we're going to look at, I have a couple of coolers. I don't need that. I'm going to see how much let's see how much the robe is. So let's learn more about the robe. Oh, you guys, that robe is going for an MSRP of $198. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. I just don't know what to do in this situation because the robe looks kind of short on the lady here. It looks really short on the lady, but it's really cute. And I really love the glosses from Rihanna, but I actually have some. So you know what? Because of the value of the robe, that is what I am going to select. All right, so we'll move on to customization number 2. So customization number 2 doesn't have as many items to choose from. I'm thinking they may take some items away and not allow me to choose them once I choose something that's $168. This box is only, the value of this box is only gonna get to be so high. At some point, they're just gonna probably not show me stuff and cut me off a little bit. But anyway, they have these wine glasses they're recommending for me. They have a yoga wake up 3 months audio guided yoga app subscription they're recommending for me. Also a Kate Spade wristlet, some Paracon MD High Potency Classics Face and Finishing Moisturizer. There's the Caudalie Moisturizer. There's the Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. And there are also some slippers down here. And I think we've seen those slippers before recently. Like in the last maybe 3 boxes, we've probably seen those slippers before. I don't want the slippers. They say that the Kate Spade pouch is in limited supply. But you guys, I think that's what I want. So let's learn more about that. That wristlet is $78. It's a beautiful pink. Let's go back out before I select it and see if there's anything else that kind of crosses my mind. I have plenty of glasses, so I know I won't be selecting that one. And I have a couple of good moisturizers that came in a couple of my other boxes, so it's going to be this particular product. I'm gonna go ahead and get the Kate Spade wristlet. So moving on to customization number 3. As y'all can see, this is getting less and less items to choose from. That item number 1, there were plenty of items to choose from, but now that we are at customization 3, there are fewer items to choose. So they have the Preve Revo, the Juliet black sunglasses. They also have the Kate Spade mini small square stud earrings. Oh my gosh, you guys, that is so nice. They have the Erin Condren Design Stationery Bundle. You guys, I don't really do a lot with stationery, so I know I won't be choosing that. They have the Gaiam Ultimate Core Toning Kit. They also have the Kate Spade Somerville Exfoliate. I've had some of that before. It is good, but I probably have some in the room, so I'm definitely not going to select it. And they have the Shoshana Umbrella, or you can get this Mystery Surprise. And I don't want them to choose anything for me. And you guys, I am in love with these earrings, so let's learn more. They have an MSRP of $32. Says they're stunning small square studs with gold-plated prongs and backing. These sparkling studs feature an opalescent sparkle and shine. All right, that is what I am going to choose. I can actually go down here at the bottom, I believe, and click I want this. So yes, I want that. So let's move on to customization number 4. For customization number 4, they have this mantra band cuff bracelet in silver. There's also a spoon rest. Okay, a spoon rest. But I mean, somebody might really like it. That's in gray. They also have the Josie Moran whipped argan oil butter and sweet citrus. They have this leave-in plus keratin over here for your hair. I don't want any of these hair products, and I think all of these last 3 are hair products, plus the Mystery Surprise. They'll just pick one for you. Again, I don't want them picking anything for me. I'm most interested in that bracelet, so let's learn more. The bracelet has an MSRP of $25. It says, every time you look at your mantra band cuff bracelet, let these words be your anchor and your reminder. You have the strength and the will to do what it takes. There is nothing that you can't accomplish. Always believe that you can, and you will. And they say it's adjustable. So I want this. So I'm going to click I want this. All right. Having a little trouble clicking I want this. It might be a lot of people who want this right now. All right, so they finally let me get it. I'm going to go ahead and move on to customization number 5. So, yeah, we are down to only 4 items to choose from. Plus, there's the Mystery Surprise, I guess, if they just pick it. There are some hair clips. There is the Hypernova Dark Circle Reducer Eye Serum. There is a Sorbus Makeup Organizer, and there's the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. I deal with dark under eye circles all the time, so I want to learn more about that particular product, which is an eye serum, and it has an MSRP of $36. It says this refreshing gel serum reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. The advanced blend of peptides, beta-glucan, artemisinin, anyway, okay, whatever, and caffeine rejuvenates the delicate skin around your eyes. So you guys, I am going to go ahead and select this one in hopes that it'll help. So let's see. That was customization number 5. Let's move on to customization number 6. All right, they have the Coach Open Circle Necklace and T-Rose Stud Set. That is a repeat. I got that in my winter 2021 box. Also, the Millie Jewelry Case, that is a repeat. I also received that in one of my boxes last year. They have the New Code Topical C. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I don't even really know what that is. It says, let's learn more. Well, it has an MSRP of $55. It's a powder vitamin C that only activates when mixed into your existing moisturizer, serum, or face oil. All right, I already have something very similar to that. One of these powders, I'm trying to get this off the screen. All right, so I got it off there. I am not going to order that. They have the Butter London Teddy Girl Eyeshadow Palette. They also have the London Town Human Plus Kind Ico bundle. They have the Winky Lux London Town bundle. They have this Erno Laszlo plus the Lark and Ives bundle. So with that one, the scarves are a repeat. I have those also, but at the time it didn't come with the Erno Laszlo. Or whichever one it is. One of those items wasn't in there. It wasn't the scarves because I have those. Next, they have this Hourglass Ambient Strobe Lighting Blush and Incandescent. And then last, they have the Ico Winky Lux Daily Concepts bundle. I am going to see what is in that Concepts bundle. I mean, I have most of the things they're recommending for me. I already have them. Now, I tell you this, if I can't find something that I really want, I'm going to go ahead and get that jewelry case, because what I usually do with my FabFitFun box stuff is the things that I choose them with myself and other people in mind. So the Christmas holidays will come again in 2022, and I will already have some gifts that I've kind of put back. So that jewelry case is really nice. So if this Ico Winky Lux Daily Concepts bundle isn't something that I want after we click here on learn more, then I'll come back and choose that. So the Ico Winky Lux Daily Concepts bundle has an MSRP of $63. It includes the Ico Double Act Shadow Stick, the Winky Lux in the Stars Lip Oil, and the Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. All of this sounds really good, but you guys, I get a lot of beauty boxes in addition to FabFitFun, so I'm not going to choose this bundle. Let's go back out of here and let's click on the Millie jewelry case, which, like I said, I already have one for myself, but I'm going to go ahead and get that one and gift it. So let's see. That was customization number 6. Looks like we only got an opportunity to customize 6 items in this box. So I'm wondering if we're only going to get 6 items in this box, because here at the bottom it's saying submit. So I have submitted. You guys, I have submitted. I'm not going to be boosting my box or adding any add-ons to my box today, but you guys kind of get the concept of the way that the box works. The majority of the items that I chose from my box cost more than the box itself, and I can't remember exactly how much they promise you. There is like a minimum value of the box that they promise you, which is they probably just take all of the items with the lowest values and add that together, and they know that that's going to be the minimum price of the box. But either way, you guys, I'm pretty sure we get $200 plus worth of stuff every time we get the box. And like I said, if you got the annual membership, that's $199 per year. The boxes are gonna pay for themselves really, really quickly. Once you do this 4 times in a year, you probably have over $900 worth of stuff. Okay, and if you don't want it for yourself, you can gift it for someone. If you would like to subscribe to FabFitFun, look down at the bottom of this video. My code is down there. Also, you guys, don't forget to like this video so that the next time I post about FabFitFun, you'll be the first to see it. I also post about a lot of other things on my channel if you're interested. If you're not interested, you can skip over those videos. If you are interested, you can watch them. It doesn't really matter. But just know that the channel isn't all about FabFitFun, okay? But anyway, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that the next time I post, you're the first to see it. Also, don't forget to like this video and give it, of course, a thumbs up. So by liking this video, you are indeed giving it a thumbs up. Anyway, you guys, I will see you next time.